Alright guys, this is throwing a rock at a beehive. What? It's coming after me. We're screwed. So they just chased us. There's a bunch of bees all over my camera right now, and they're trying to sting my camera. And this is not good. The reason we did this is because these bees keep on stinging people as they walk by. And I always notice it when I walk my dog, and all these people that I talk to about it that live in my neighborhood, they also say that they bother them, and a few of them have even said that they get stung. I can't breathe. Whew. So we did it, and now they're like attacking my camera, which is over there, and some of them even followed us over here. And so yeah, we've called the company that like owns the box, and they act like they're going to come and get rid of it, but it's been several weeks and they haven't got rid of it, so I decided to throw a rock at it, which is very immature and responsible. I can't even talk. It's very immature and irresponsible, but you know what, that's what we decided to do. And you know, I figured it would make a good video, so that's what we've done.